and welcome back to BQ Garage. We're down here at Cars on the Coast at Port Noarlunga in Adelaide. Let's go have a look around. There's some really nice cars here. It's a nice green HQ Monaro that's just rocked up. Let's go check it out. Thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Really appreciate everyone's support. So yeah, it turns out that bloke with the green Monaro here, he's one of my subscribers, so that's pretty cool. Nice blue on this, very nice Ute. The Stato front end. Looks the part with the gold Simmons rims, I think. Pretty cool. HJ GDS dash in it. GDS steering wheel. Really nice interior. Good old Dado Ute. Very nice reddish orange Charger. Skinnies at the front, some fats at the back. God, I love the weld wheels. I was never into the Chryslers, but they sure look alright. Nice old valve. Original HQ Stato. I don't think it's ever been restored either. Very nice. With the original wheels as well. Nice little Escort here. I've seen those sort of rims before. It's pretty cool. Nice looking Celica, 90s model, GT. All-wheel drive they are, I think from memory, yep. Turbo. Litre Berliner. Very nice VP. It's HQ Monaro GDS here. Orange flames. Bit of a toughy Kingswood. What a beautiful little town this is. One of their local regular meets. That's a very neat engine bay in this Monaro. We have a Tuffy HQ coming through. Very nice. Give him one of my stickers. G'day mate, from over in WA, HQ Garage. Thought I'd pass on one of my stickers and cards for you.
Yeah, good idea.
Nice car, man.
Cheers.
Take it easy. Get a load of this. What a beast. Nice.
Hey, Dave.
How good is that paint job, eh? Got the old, the new, and two oldies. A Morris Minor, Rocky, nice. Cool. Very JDM spec. GTO, two-door Commodore Byron, eh? Definitely Monaro. green Dado. Volkswagen, nice. How's this HJ GDS? Very cool. Very tidy as well.
He put it out at 45 on the Friday night.
Nice red WB. Holden Ute. Rocking the red walls. Very cool.
See you guys.
Get there on top. 200 SX Sylvia. I don't see these that often over in Perth, but over here they're everywhere. That is a beautiful HQ there. Very nice Kinger. HQ Prim's got something special under the bonnet. Boots under there. This thing's cool. Bit of a toughie. Good to see. Very tidy HQ Premier for sale. Very, very clean. Pretty cool. Let's flip front window. No, you're alright. It's all good. Very cool car, that. This old Dado here. It's fairly original. Aftermarket seats. Very cool. Get a load of this. That's cool. This must be the Mazda corner. There's even more over here. Very cool. Hey boy, you security. I didn't do it. Fat 13B, it explains everything.
Washed it, mate.
Check out that fuel tank in the back. Pretty cool. Alright, well that's a wrap. Heading off. Good little show this. What a good mixture of cars, which is good to see. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you very much for your support. Catch us later. Beautiful. It's good to meet your subscribers all over the place. It's wicked.